cleaning cycle is finished, always remove the robotic by the handle. Pull up vertically and allow all the water to release the box and disconnect the e-box from your power source. So cleaning the filter canister, the first step is to press the push and go button, which will release the handle, remove, and looking for the yellow tabs either side, pushing up, which will release the filter canister. Now, using your hose, empty the canister, now repeat the process, putting back into place. And put it into the swimming tool and making sure that you get all air bubbles out. Then release and let the cleaner fall to the bottom. And press the start-stop button. Once the cleaning cycle is finished,